When you step back for a little bit, you notice some details that are not really working. So I made these thank you cards. Okay, this is just way too light, not at all what we want. And it doesn't fit on the sticker. It has a white edge and it's very, very dull. Back to the drawing board. Okay, so this is version 2. It's a little bit bigger and fits the whole sticker, so that's better. And the color is also better, but am I happy with this? I'm not sure yet. I'm afraid this is the quality I'm able to get with this type of paper, but we'll try another setting as well. Okay, that looks a little bit better. So the colors are better, I think. And it's also a little bit more vibrant, and that's what I was after. So I think this is about it. This is what I can get out of the paper, really. The printer is not the problem, the paper is the problem. And I think I'm pretty happy with it. So we went from this to this to this. So these are some of the packaging materials that I got. So these are going to be the envelopes that carry the prints, the smaller prints, and they are pretty sturdy, so I'm happy with that. And then I've got this one. So this rolls up like that to form like a triangular box, which is very sturdy. And it's going to hold my larger prints that don't fit in an envelope like this. And over here, I also have these plastic sleeves that are going to go around the smaller prints in the envelope as well. So I was in doubt whether I should also get like extra backing for the prints. Not really sure about that yet. I'm going to do a trial run later on, but I've got some nice light right now. So first I'm going to do some painting. step back for a little bit. So I just had lunch. You notice some details that are not really working, and that's what I'm adjusting here. They're just minor details with some shadows I don't really like, or shapes. So over here I'm adjusting the shape of the garlic a little bit by adding some more shadow. And over here on the other garlic as well. And that's the great thing about oil painting. It stays wet for so long that you can just adjust it for so long. But at the same time, that's also a pitfall, because you shouldn't be adjusting things for too long, because you will overwork your painting. So over here I don't really like the dark shadows. And this part is a little bit too messy in my eyes, so I'm changing that as well. What I don't like is the background color I chose. It's peachy, it's too sweet and too light. So I decided to scrape the excess off with this tool. I think it needs to be a bit more muddy. I think that's more my style. So that's what I'm making here. A bit more of a muddy color, but still quite light. So I'm trying it out here and checking if I like it with the garlics. And I do, so that's why I'm applying it here. But spoiler alert, I actually hate it in the end, and it's going off again. So here you can see what it turned out like, and I think especially with the garlics, it's just way too light. The garlic really needs something to make them pop and make them stand out. So I'm taking it off again, and I will be back with the end result later. So I made these thank you cards that I'm going to cut out now. So glad I figured out this whole cutting thing. Oh, it looks like a small border. Something is not really right with the borders. They should be the same width everywhere, and it looks like it's not, but I'll fix that later. This is just going to be a trial run. Okay, so this is the thank you card, but it should have a better border. Maybe I should get rid of the border. Okay, I'll try that. What do we prefer? I'm not sure yet. So we're going to use this for the trial run now. Okay, so we're going to pretend that somebody bought this cute little print from the lemons, and we're going to put it in here like that. And then I have this thank you card, and I'm going to write something cute on the back and with my name as well. And I think I'm going to put it inside here as well. And then we're going to close it. And oh, maybe I should have done this on the other side. I don't know. Or should I put it like this? No, I think I'm going to do this differently. So I'm going to put it in like this. Okay, and then put the thank you card in on this side. Like that. And then close it off to the back. Then I have these stickers we just made. And I'm going to put a sticker here as well. So this is nicely wrapped. And we've got some branding on the back. So what I do notice now that the card is printed on better paper and has very bright colors, and the sticker does not. So I'm not sure if I'm loving this combination. Maybe just keep the thank you card in there and just put the sticker on here. That's possible as well. So now I can put this in here like that. And then of course close it, put the address on, and then maybe a sticker on here, and then you won't really notice the difference in color. It's all about the details. I like to make sure everything is perfect. So back to the painting. I took a photo and put it in Procreate on my iPad and tried out different background colors to see what I liked best. And this is what I chose, a light yellowish color, which matches well with the eggplant and also makes the garlic pop. It's quite light, but I think I like it. What do you think? I hope to see you next week.